Hi everyone. So this might be the easiest way how you can actually get $1,000 in crypto right now, and no, it's not a joke. It's easy as fuck, and I'll show you within 5 minutes how you can simply get it on your PC or even iPhone. Yeah, so let's get started. So today we are breaking down a token splash, so what it is, how it works, and how you can get in on it. Token splash is basically the simplest way for a new project on Bybit to attract liquidity. So let's say just a project comes to the exchange, set up a campaign, puts let's say $100,000 into the reward pool, and after that, that pool gets distributed among the participants. Like, the scheme is quite simple. Let's get straight to how you can take part of that event. First thing first, click the link on the description of this video, and this takes you directly to the page you need. That's how it looks like. And if you don't have a Bybit account yet, you are actually in luck, because new users get extra perks like trading fee discounts and bonuses up to $30,000. Not too bad, right? Okay, let's move on. Once you're on the main page, you will see a list of different projects and different campaigns, and here is the part that usually surprise people. It's ridiculously simple, because there is only 2 steps. First step is just pressing this orange join now button, and register to participate. Great, so you see a green check, we just press OK, and then there is a second step, generate some trading volume. So you can see here, trade at least $500 worth of Almanac on spot. So we just have Almanac token on spot, and we must trade for at least $500 of volume. So just press trade now. We're gonna redirect to the spot trading. And here our task is just trade at least $500. So here is how volume works. You are buying, let's just say for $250 worth of tokens Almanac. Just pressing this green buy button, and then you can immediately sell your position. Just using 100%, and then just press sell. That's it. That's how it works, and you have already completed the main task. So it might take some time, because you can go to the main page and refresh it. So it will take some time. So let's try to refresh it one more time. Great, here it is. Well, it's 99%. Let's trade one more time for I don't know, for $10. Buy, then sell immediately everything. Sell, here it is, and let's refresh it one more time. Here it is. So now we have completed our task. You can see 100% of our traded volume, which is $515. And we can already see our estimated reward, which is $20,000. Might be great, right? Which is 20,000 of tokens Almanac. So we can already check how much is it. Let's say limit 20,000 Almanac, which is 1,000 USDT. So after where it is. So here is the timeline, and after 2 weeks I can actually get this $1,000, and I already participated in wet campaign, so we can see the details that I traded for $1,000 of volume, and my estimated rewards here is 93 USDT, which is quite okay without taking any risks at all, because you're buying tokens and then selling it immediately, right? So you're not waiting for 2 weeks and holding these tokens. Of course, tokens might drop, that's obvious things, but here is absolutely no risks. You're just buying and selling, just making this trading volume, and that's it. Also, as you can see, there is a lot of campaigns, and for example, there is also campaigns with the new users only, access. So it's actually incredible because it means that there is less competition and much higher chance of earning bigger payout. So let's just compare two events, two campaigns. First one is wet for everyone. Here we can see 3,600 participants, and for new users only there is only 216 participants. So yeah, of course prize pool is a bit less than for everyone, but like, just compare these numbers, like the difference is huge and competition is much less. So yeah, that's the whole system, straightforward and effective. So yeah, all the important links are in the description of this video. Make sure to join my Telegram channel as well, because you'll find all the instructions and updates right there. And don't forget to subscribe that channel. See you soon.